Introducing the shiny new popemobiles. Well, 5 of them to be precise. The new Fiat fleet was unveiled in Mexico City ahead of the Pope's upcoming visit to the country. And the pontiff had his own specifications. He insisted that they weren't bulletproof as they usually are. The papal nuncio, Christopher Pierre, blessed the vehicles, asking for the cars and its passengers to be safe. Pope Francis will arrive in the Central American country next week for a 5-day visit, where he'll lead Mass with the indigenous community in Mexico's poorest state, Chiapas, and visit Ciudad Juarez, the town which once had one of the world's highest murder rates, particularly bold without a bulletproof car. The trip will be Pope Francis's 4th visit to Latin America, including his stop in Cuba just last September. He'll be accompanied on his travels by the bishops of the Catholic headquarters he'll visit. And one thing's for certain, that he'll be traveling in style.